Sometimes the biggest, most powerful ideas are hiding in the smallest, most ordinary places. In today's explainer, we're going to dig into a really fascinating concept about communication, not by looking at some complicated theory, but it's something you probably use every single day.
And it all really boils down to this one question. How can a single, simple word, one you've known your whole life, completely change the way we think about expressing complex thoughts? That's the mystery we're going to solve together. So to get to the bottom of this, we're going to put just one single, very common word under the microscope. A word that seems totally straightforward on the surface, but is actually the perfect key for unlocking a much, much bigger idea.
And that word is grip. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Grip? It seems pretty ordinary, right? You grip a baseball bat, you tell someone to get a grip. So why on earth does this one specific word deserve its very own explainer? Well, it turns out grip, according to our source material from Wiktionary, is not just any old word. It has a special status. It's kind of like a card-carrying member of a very exclusive and very powerful club. And that club, that list, is called the Basic English 850. This is the core concept we're exploring today, and our word grip is the absolute perfect example of why it's so brilliant.
850. That's it. That is the entire number of words on this list. Just think about that for a second. Out of the hundreds of thousands of words in the English language, this is the final, curated selection. But what's really interesting is the why behind this list. See, linguists chose these specific 850 words because they believed this small toolkit was powerful enough to express almost any idea, simply and clearly. It's all about maximum impact with minimum vocabulary.
Okay, so let's dive in and see exactly why grip made the cut. We'll start with its most obvious job, as a word for an action, as a verb.
The definition from the source is just beautifully simple: to hold something tightly in one's hand. It's direct, it's physical, and there's absolutely no confusion about what it means. It's a perfect, functional workhorse of a word.
The example sentence from the source, "He gripped the rope and pulled," it paints a complete picture instantly. You don't need a fancier word like clutched or grasped. Gripped does the job perfectly, and that directness is exactly what this list is all about.
But here's where the real efficiency, the real magic of the Basic English list starts to shine. Because grip isn't just an action, it can also be a thing, a noun. As a noun, our source shows it has two distinct but related meanings. It can refer to the concept of the hold itself, the way you are holding something, but it can also refer to the physical handle you hold on to. For instance, it's good to have a firm grip when shaking hands. See, here, the word grip isn't the action. It's the quality and style of the hold. So one word is now doing double duty.
And it doesn't even stop there. That same exact word can also mean the physical object you hold onto, a handle on a tool or a place on a rock for a climber. That is some incredible linguistic efficiency right there.
So, what does this all add up to? Well, when you look at all the different jobs this one little word can do, you really start to see the whole philosophy behind Basic English and its hidden power.
One single word, grip, serves as an action, the quality of that action, and the physical object that enables that action. It's a whole network of ideas packed into 4 simple letters. And that right there is the absolute genius of the Basic English 850 list. It's not about dumbing down language, not at all. It's about choosing these hyper-efficient, versatile words like grip that can be combined to build complex thoughts without needing a massive vocabulary. It's communication distilled to its clearest and most powerful form. So I'll leave you with a final thought. Now that you've seen the power that can be packed inside just one simple word, think about it in your own life. What complex idea, at work or at home, could you make crystal clear if you just chose a few simple, powerful words?